Good morning, everyone. My name is Mutiara Dwi Siva, and today I'm very excited to share our study entitled Antioxidant Activity and Total Phenolic Content of Different Extracts from Rosa Canina L fruits. In this research, we took a closer look at the bioactive compounds and antioxidant properties of rosehip fruits, which you might formally know as Rosa Canina. Now, we already know that phenolic compounds are fantastic natural substances. They're packed with antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. And one of the best natural source for this is Rosa canina or rosehip. These fruits are naturally rich in vitamin C, phenolic, flavonoids, and tannins. But here's the catchy part: the amount of these good compounds we can actually get depends heavily on how we extract them and what solvent we use. That's why, in the study, we wanted to compare the bioactive content and antioxidant power between wild and commercial rosehip fruits under different extraction methods. To do this, we used two types of sample, wild and commercial rosehips. Then, we test two different extraction approaches. First, we ran a chocolate extraction using three separate solvents: ethanol, acetone, and hexane. At the same time, we also want to see how simple water infusion would perform, so we prepared them at three different time intervals: 5, 15, and 30 minutes. After that, we analyzed the extract for their total phenolic, flavonoid, and tannin content, capacity using DPPH and FRAP assays. Alright, let's get into the exciting part, the results. If you look right here at the total phenolic content, the highest value actually came from the commercial sample extracted with acetone, reaching about 177.63 mg GAE per gram. This clearly tells us that acetone is incredibly efficient at pulling out those phenolic. On the other hand, when we look at flavonoid, the wild sample extracted with hexane took the lead at 64.2 milligrams QE per gram. But what really caught our attention was the antioxidant activity from the FRAP assay. The stronger capacity didn't come from the heavy chemical solvents, but from the wild rosehip infusion brewed for 30 minutes with a value of 51.30 millimoles Fa2 plus per gram. So, it's safe to say that a longer infusion time generally boosts the antioxidant power. What do all these numbers mean? Well, they prove that extraction conditions change everything. Different solvents yield completely different results. But what's really interesting is that simple water infusion actually outperformed several solvent extracts. This is great finding because it suggests that just drinking rosehip tea can be highly effective natural way to get your daily dose of antioxidant. To wrap things up, but wild and commercial Rosa canina fruit show immense antioxidant potential, while acetone is great for extracting phenolic. Water infusions are superior for overall antioxidant activity, especially if you let them stay longer. We believe these findings show that Rosa canina has a very promising future, not just in food and beverages, but also in pharmaceutical and medicinal products. Thanks so much for your time and attention. I'll be more than happy to take any question you might have.